Hi, I'm Patrick Tumbarella of the Tumbarella Group at FC Tucker. I'm here at 11320 Seaside Drive in Fishers. Let's go have a look. With over 4,400 square feet and 4 bedrooms and 4 full bathrooms, including 1 bedroom and 1 full bathroom on the main level, just east of Olio Road and just off the beautifully wooded and secluded 113th Street, yet still close to everything Fishers and McCordsville have to offer. An amazing layout designed for gathering and entertaining, whether with family or friends, or simply enjoying a cup of coffee in your beautiful sunroom. Enjoy cooking? Perfect, because this kitchen was designed for the family chef. And if you're looking for another common area or a home office, take a look at the size of this loft. In addition to your amazing bathroom, the master suite also offers this cozy sitting area, perfect to unwind. And look at the great space this basement has to offer. And if you prefer your tranquility and peace outside, how about this private backyard? Interested in having a private tour? Give me a call at 317-918-5994.